This is a tutorial for O cessate di piagarmi by Alessandro Scarlatti. You should practice saying O cessate di piagarmi also with Scarlatti by Scarlatti is enough to say, okay? You can find this again on the Google Drive. If you look in the classical songs section, oops. I'm going to share my screen now so you can see that. And we're going to start with this lower key. I have several keys of this song, and we're going to start with this lower key in E minor. And again, we will figure out what key is right for each person. Okay, so starting with the Italian. Italian's a fun language to sing in, and I want you to have a little fun poking fun of the exaggeration of the vowels. That's a good thing for singers, okay? So I will speak, you repeat. O cessate di piagarmi. O lasciatemi morir. Luci ingrate dispietate. Again. Luci ingrate dispietate. Più del gelo più del marmi. Fredde sorde a miei martir. Fredde sorde a miei martir. That's all the words of this song. Then it repeats. That's pretty simple, right? Not too much Italian. If we just do the melody by itself, again, this is the lower key. So just singing it on la la la. La 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 la. You repeat. Again, female instruments are going to be up here. Male instruments are going to be down here, right? La, 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 la. Next line. La, 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 la. I'm going to look at it here, so I'm not. This is the third line of the music where it says luci ingrate. Here, I'm going to scroll that down. And it repeats again, kind of like the beginning. So that's pretty much the melodic material that is there. Let's put it together with the text. Again, you can repeat any of this as much as you want. Go back and repeat to reinforce for yourself. I'm just going to keep going, and you can repeat where you need to. So now I'm going to sing a line in Italian. You sing after me. O cessate di piagarmi. O lasciatemi it's like the beginning. Again, I'm sorry, I just realized that I hadn't scrolled back, but you can see it now. This is just like the beginning. So, cessate di lasciatemi morire. So some details about this. The beginning is exactly like the ending, right? This repeats. This goes a pretty big distance from the top to the bottom and may feel a little different in your voice from the top to the bottom, and that's okay. That's okay. These next lines, the luci ingrate dispietate, notice that this one is almost the same as this one, but not quite. This little thing here is called a grace note, and we could do it without it if we wanted to. Luci ingrate dispietate, but it'd be kind of boring. So on this first one, we get it on spie, right? We sing luci ingrate dispietate. We emphasize that word. The next time, we're going to have a grace note again, but it's not going to happen on spie. It's going to happen on ta. So just notice that. Luci ingrate dispietate. Let's do those two lines. We got luci ingrate dispietate. Luci ingrate dispietate. And then in this next part, più del cielo e più del mar mi freddi sorde a miei martir. The first time we do that is slightly different than the second time. And the big difference is we're going to hold miei a little longer. And this ritardando means to slow down a little bit. And we're going to do the martir just a little quicker. So it'll go those two lines there. The first one is freddi sorde a miei martir. The second one is freddi sorde a miei martir. It's just a little nuance. It's lovely. And then it's just like the beginning. So let's go all the way through once with the Italian. Cessate di piagarmi, lasciatemi morire, lasciatemi morire. I'm just going to move this forward. Luci ingrate dispietate, luci ingrate dispietate, più del cielo e più del mar mi freddi sorde a miei martir, freddi sorde a miei martir. Cessate di piagarmi, lasciatemi morire, lasciatemi morire. So you can repeat any parts of that as much as you want to. Also, please note that the English underneath the Italian here is not a translation, but a version in English that you could sing. Sometimes it matches up with the Italian, sometimes it doesn't. I will post the translation, or you can Google it very easily, of what this means. And I want you to know exactly what you're singing. It makes it so much easier to memorize something in a foreign language and to make it beautiful, to make music, to communicate something with it, right? This is classic old Italian, uber dramatic, right? They get soap opera from opera. Oh, cessate. Oh, no longer pain me, right? That is accurate. Oh, please, just let me die. You can interpret this in several ways in this period. I'll leave that to your imagination. But it can be that you're just agonized with love. Oh, just let me die already. Or it could have a more sexual nuance, right? But it is essentially very dramatic, very romantic. And we hear that longing in the voice. Have a little fun, poke fun. It does not offend me if you poke fun of opera singer sound. Oh, cessate di piagarmi, oh, lasciatemi morir. We learn these classical songs so that you can open up something different in your voice. Be playful with it and have fun. See you in class.